Have you ever tried to push away a thought, only to find it clinging to you even tighter? Like trying to force open a locked door, the more your mind struggles, the more chaotic it becomes. Today I want to share a story about a man who also wrestled with the chaos of his own mind. The man went to see a Zen master, his face weary and troubled. He said, "Master, my mind is always filled with endless thoughts. They exhaust me constantly. How can I find peace?" Listen closely to the Zen master's response, because perhaps this story isn't just for that man, it might be for you as well. The Zen master listened to the man's complaints with his usual calm demeanor. After a brief moment of reflection, he spoke slowly. "Begin meditating every day. Just meditate. Gradually, your mind will settle." "Master, I can't meditate. I've tried, and when I sit down, my mind becomes even more chaotic. Thoughts, mostly negative ones, storm into my head like a raging tempest." The Zen master, as calm as a still pond, replied, "This is normal in the beginning, but if you persist, slowly, your mind will naturally find peace." "Master, meditation isn't for me. I need something easier. A mantra, master, please." The Zen master realized that the man wasn't ready to grasp the true value of meditation, so he decided to teach him a lesson in a more unconventional way. And then the Zen master said something seemingly harmless, but it changed everything. The Zen master gave him a mantra and said, "Sit alone in silence and chant this mantra every day. But remember, under no circumstances think about the monkey." "The monkey? Don't worry, master. I've never thought about a monkey in my life." As he chanted the mantra, he recalled the Zen master's instruction, "Do not think about the monkey." And then a monkey appeared. Before he could shoo it away, two more jumped in. Within minutes, a whole troop of monkeys was dancing in his mind. The man tried to push them away, but the more he pushed them, the more they appeared. Each monkey filled every corner of his mind. By nightfall, he even began to see monkeys on the faces of his family. In just one night, from someone who had never thought about a monkey, he had become a monkey thinking expert. The next morning, after a night filled with images of monkeys, the man ran straight to the Zen master, shouting, "Master, I can't take it anymore. Monkeys are everywhere. Please save me." "All right," the master replied. "Stop chanting the mantra. Just sit down and relax. Don't do anything." The man followed the master's instructions. Within minutes, he was surprised to realize there were no more monkeys. His mind had returned to peace. "Do you see?" the master explained. "The mind is like a monkey. The more you try to control it, the more it jumps around. But if you simply observe it without resisting, the monkey will stop on its own." The Zen master continued, "Your mind generates tens of thousands of thoughts each day. Trying to chase them away only gives them more power. But through meditation, simply observing without judgment, those thoughts will naturally dissipate, like clouds drifting across the sky. It's like cleaning a house. When you begin, the dust rises, but if you persist, the house becomes clean and brighter than ever. So, when your mind becomes chaotic, will you fight it or simply sit, observe, and let it settle? The choice is yours.